final act of a courtroom drama, one figure has a daunting task of deciding a defendant's fate, the judge. But how does the judge decide to appropriate sentence for a crime? Welcome to Lawishhh, where we unlock the intricacies of judicial sentencing. So if you've ever pondered on the scales of justice, you're in the right place. So obviously, don't forget to subscribe for a deeper dive into the legal world. So judicial sentencing, what might seem like an exercise in discretion, but it's a process guided by law, not just for their whim or their gut feeling. It's a very detailed process and judges are very good at what they do. So judges aren't just making decisions based on personal judgment, but are bound by statutes, case law, and a set of principles designed to ensure fair justice. So from prison time, community-based centers, judges have a wide range of options at their disposal, and that's for good reason. There's a lot of discretion with judges, so we see this with the recent legal challenges that change with community sentencing rules. So providing alternative to incarceration aims at rehabilitation and reducing crime. So it's a very important aspect of judges' discretion. What do you think is the most effectiveness of community-based centers compared to prison? Share your thoughts below. I'd love to hear your opinions. And again, this video is based on a question getting asked in the comments, so please feel free to share. So judges don't have free reign. They're constrained by maximum penalties designed by law, ensuring that the punishment fits the crime. And again, it's not always the maximum penalty. These legal boundaries serve as a guideline, but within them, judges must also consider the individual circumstances of each case. So it's not just a paintbrush on this offense must be this. No, every case is different. So legal precedents play a crucial role in sentencing decisions. And it's so important as to why you need a good lawyer to do this. So binding precedents from higher courts must be followed, ensuring consistency in the law. Persuasive precedents, while not mandatory, can influence a judge's decision, especially in complex and unique cases. Mitigating and aggravating factors. Biggest principles of sentencing. So every story has two sides. And in sentencing, judges weigh mitigating factors against the aggravating factors. From defendant's background to the mental health of the nature of the crime, the impacts on the victims, these factors shape balance between a final sentence, aiming for the difference between punishment, deterrence, and rehabilitation. The voice of the victim also echoes in the courtroom through victim impact statements. These personal accounts can profoundly impact and influence sentencing, adhering to a layer of human experience to the legal process. So it's also robust and people who are victims get their voice heard. The journey from crime to sentencing is complex, governed by laws, guided by precedent, and tempered by humanity. If you gain new insights into judges deciding sentence, hit the like button, subscribe for more legal interpretations, and share this spread for knowledge. When going into this, when judges decide on sentencing, and it depends on the type of court, of course, and if the person is pleading guilty and these sort of factors, but judges are very, very good to it. They're very understanding. They're just more human about it, and they want to know everything about the case. They want to know what happened, what was the context, its history, reports, the subjective material, and of course, the impact of the community. These are all clear signs as to why judges do this decision. And so you see these things on the news saying, Judge X didn't give this much, being this person deal with this. Well, no, there's a wide discretion for the judge for a reason, because they understand the pretext, and news outlets don't give pretext. They just say, this is the offense and this is what was committed. And so it's very important not to just see what happens in the media, but understand the cruciality of the case. And it's usually, unless there's some sort of protective measure, they're all wide to go check it out to understand as to why the judges do that. Because depending on the type of sentencing, judges give remarks for like few minutes down to like an hour as to their reasons why, because they must give reasons as to how they came to that decision. And so I think it's a very interesting area, and there's another video I'm going to be making on mandatory sentences, which I wholeheartedly disagree with, but it's very important for everyone to know what they mean. And I hope you like that. Thank you.